This is one huge book and can be pretty intimidating. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips and a tool that will make reading the Bible fun and make sure that you're reading it for all it's worth. Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is 517 Fitness, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping you lose weight, gain faith, and become the man of God He designed you to be. The Bible is comprised of 66 books, 1,189 chapters, 31,102 verses, and 783,137 words. That is no joke of a book. But why is it that we seem to be able to knock out every Harry Potter book 3 times before the new movie comes out, but can't seem to make it through this one at least once? So here's tip number 1. Read it as the voice of God. This might be one of the biggest problems when it comes to the Bible itself, is people don't fully grasp what they have in their hand. As Christians, we believe the Bible is the direct word of God. So why don't we start acting like it is God talking to us? I mean, think about it. We're always complaining that God isn't doing what we want Him to do, but we're not listening to Him. By reading the Bible, we are hearing straight from Him what His plan is. I think by listening to Him, we'll stop being as confused as we are. It's hard to have a good relationship with somebody when you're the only one talking. By reading the Bible, you're actually listening to God. The second tip is know what you're reading. As I talked about earlier, the Bible is made up of a bunch of different books. Books that are written by roughly 35 different authors. So when you're reading Matthew's, it's a different context than when you're reading the book of Psalms. So you should know exactly what you're reading. Here's a picture I found that really kind of visualizes each of the books of the Bible. So you can see in the top, it starts with history. So from Genesis all the way to Esther, honestly is basically just a story. One story connecting all of them. So as you can see in this picture, the top, you've got the history. So Genesis starts at creation and you work all your way to Esther. Then you get to the poetry, which is Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastics, and Songs of Solomon. Those are all very different books to read. A good example of this is Proverbs is probably my favorite book. It's very blunt, very much do this, do that, this is what we're talking about. Where Psalms is a lot of colorful, descriptive poetry and feelings expressed through words, which is not my style. So I'm very much a Proverbs guy, where some people love Psalms. Then we get to the prophecy books. These tend to be the books that get a little bit confusing because there's story mixed in with visions and whatnot. Now we're to the New Testament. The New Testament's when Jesus shows up onto the scene. The first 4 books of the New Testament are basically the same story told from 4 different points of view. I highly suggest reading all of them once in your life, but each of them kind of have a different outlook on them. Personally, I like John, but that's just me. Read all of them at least once and you can kind of find which one suits your feelings more. I like John because it is very much straight to the point. This happened, this happened, this happened. Luke gets very much into the parables and how Jesus talked to people. So take a look at those and see how they go. So Acts is what happens after Jesus gets raised from the dead. Then you have a segment of letters from Paul to groups of people. The groups of people are the names of the letter. So Romans is a letter from Paul to the Romans. After a bunch of letters from Paul, you basically get letters from James, Peter, John, and Jude, And then the final one is Revelations, which might be one of the more confusing books of the Bible, but I highly suggest reading it. You can read it in a day. And I highly suggest doing it, reading it, and just seeing what kind of comes to you from it. So that's the second thing you should be aware of when reading the Bible, is what you actually are reading. Is it a history part? Is it a history part of the Bible? Is it poetry? Is it a letter to somebody? By knowing what you're reading or what type of conversation you're reading, you can really digest the information a lot better. The third tip I have for you is start small. Like we said, this thing is no joke. Read one chapter a day. Read one page a day. Just get in the habit of reading it. One of the things I like to tell people is pick the old or the new and start there. I personally think you should always start with the old and just knock out the Bible cover to cover at least once in your life. But if you are a new Christian, start with the new, learn about Jesus. That's what got you here, so maybe you should know more about him. And then read a chapter or two from Matthew, and then read one chapter from Proverbs. Proverbs has 31 chapters, thus you can knock it out in a month. Makes it a nice daily read for you. So one chapter here, one chapter there. Just get in the habit of reading. And the fourth tip is have a plan. Have a devotional, have a Bible study, have some sort of guide to help you along the way so that you can focus on the information you really want to get out of the Bible. I highly suggest checking this video right here, which is the Bible app video I just made, and that has thousands, and I'm joking, not joking, I really think there's thousands on this thing, of Bible studies and reading plans for you on any topic you remotely want to read about. So check out that video or download the Bible app, which there'll be a link in the description below, and get started reading the Bible right now. But with that, I do want to hear from you. What is the best tip you have for reading the Bible? And if you don't have a tip, if you had to encourage somebody to read the Bible, where would you start them off? Genesis? Matthew? Proverbs? What book of the Bible would you start a new person in reading the Bible? Let's discuss in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and click right here to subscribe to this channel. And after you do that, go ahead and watch this video that YouTube and I think you'll enjoy. And with that, God bless, finish strong, and I will see you in the next video.